Hello my little witchlings, and today we are going to be unboxing Ipsy Ultimate for the month of October. So I got my Ipsy Ultimate in the mail, so this is the first time that they have ever done Ipsy Ultimate, and it is $50 a month. And what can I say about this box? I am like, I'm torn on it. Because I have this box, and then I also have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I think it is, also coming. So whatever I have like dupes for and I don't want them, I will be putting them aside for a giveaway for you guys in the near future. So let's go into this box. So, and here we go. And let's see if I'm trying to find the card. So this month's box is called Haunt It. And I really think this has a lot to do with Halloween. So a lot of our boxes are like Halloween or spooky themed this month. So, which should be because it is Halloween. And I love spooky season. It's my favorite. So we have a very, very big thing to get through. So I'm going to do it in order because it'll be a little bit more easier for me if I can get all this ready. So the first thing that they're talking about in this is the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette, and I do not have this palette, so I ended up getting a few other palettes in a previous Ipsy, so but not this one. So that is what the front looks like. She is absolutely beautiful, and I love me some Huda Beauty. And it comes with a very nice size mirror. And those are the shades. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, I love it. So let me do some swatches for you guys. Just a couple. I'll do 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. And I will put them on my hand, and then I will show you guys what they look like. And there you go. Aren't those beautiful? And I think the payout is very, very nice on those. So I am very excited to have this palette. So, and like I said, I can add it to my collection with the other ones that I do have. And then it says, this versatile palette offers a gorgeous mix of 5 creamy matte finishes and 4 dual chrome shimmers and earthy tones of copper, tangerine, red brick, and burnt orange. So beautiful, and there it is on the sheet, and there you go. So next we have the Colored Rain Cosmetics eyeshadow and glamour. Let me find it, and here it is right here, and there's the box. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I absolutely don't want to open this because I have shades like this, but I'm going to show you guys on the pamphlet what it looks like. And there it is. But I am going to put this on the side and put this in a future giveaway because I'm never going to use this. I'm going to lose this in my drawers, and it's not a good idea. But it says this Velvet Tea Smooth and Vegan shadow is blendable, richly pigmented, and long wearing, so your eye look will stay strong from day to night. The best part, the foil finish pearly hues look so good on all skin tones. So that's pretty. But the only thing I'm not happy about this is not a full-size product, and I paid $50 for this box. And this is just a sample, so they're not making me too happy right there. So, and here comes another sample that we have, if I can find it in the box. Where are you? I know you're here somewhere. Huh. Oh, I found it. It was hidden. And this is the Unicorn Glow Hydrating Primer. Let me get a little bit more of it closer for you guys to see. So, and this says, and this is another sample size, so. This fun-loving brand features artful packaging and smart formulas using hydrolyzed collagen. This gel-like primer gives your skin a major moisture boost to create a smooth canvas for a long-lasting makeup. So I'm really hoping that this works good because right now I am using the Tatcha silk canvas, and I'm also using the Born to Glow illuminating liquid powder, and I'm also using this e.l.f. hydrating boost that you like put in your foundation. So I'm hoping that maybe instead of 3 steps, maybe I can use 1 step. So we'll see. I'm hoping, like I said, that this will do a good job. So I'm excited for that, even though it is a sample size. I would have liked to get a bigger size of it, but that's not my luck. So next we have the Betty Boop and Ipsy Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. So I have a little problem with this. I'm glad that Ipsy is doing their own little palettes, and Betty Boop is absolutely adorable and I love her, but for a $50 box, I want a high brand palette in my box. So not something that, you know, Ipsy created. But she is a very beautiful palette, and it is hard plastic. And that's the colors of it right there. So let me see if I can do some swatches, if anything will show up. So there you go. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but they're subtle, they're very pretty. So, and that treat about this. This Ipster exclusive Betty Boop inspired cheek palette is here to help you obsess over you. This peachy skin smoothing blush and highlighter trio mixes ultra blendable and pearlescent finishes for a lit from within glow. So, and there's that. It is, like I said, it's very pretty though. And I do like the packaging. I just wish it was more of a name brand, not an Ipsy product, but what can I do? So, next thing I have is something that I absolutely cannot even say. So we're just gonna put it up to you guys and you guys can read the bottle. This intense hydrating serum by Biorshe locks in moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple. Idea for all skin types. It enhances your complexion instantly and can be applied to the entire face after cleansing. So this I'm kind of on the fence on. I'm kind of like, do I want to keep it or do I want to put it in a giveaway? So I haven't quite decided. Let me see what comes in my Ipsy Plus, and if this is a duplicate, I will be giving one of these away too and putting it in the giveaway. So, and next we have the Fair Brushes Midnight Pro Trio, and there they are right there. Let me take these out of the bag so you guys can see what they look like, but I'm not going to take the plastic up because I have a feeling that I'm probably going to be getting these again too, and if I do, I will put these in the giveaway too, so I have some and you guys have some. But they are really, they're beautiful brushes. So this one says it's a stippling brush. And then this one is a straight brush. I like the color of it is kind of like a purplish color. It's really neat. And then this one is a cheeky end brush. So this would be great for your cheeks or if we're doing contour. So, but these are the 3 brushes. They're very pretty. They're heavy too. I like that. So let's put these back in the bag. And let's see what it says. Perfectly balanced weight, comfort grips, and a subtle midnight blue tint to the fibers. And that's what I was trying to tell you guys. There is like a little bit of blue on the tip of these brushes. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury. Plus, they're designated by a team of beauty lovers and 100% vegan and cruelty free. So, and there is that. So next I have this Beautiful Times, and that is it right there. This fashion girl's fragrance are inspired by a bohemian designs. Her bright, juicy fragrance features notes of Mediterranean violet and caramelized sugar that makes it lightweight, sweet, and so addictive. Let's see what it looks like when you open it up. And that is the bottle right here. But I'm not going to open this up either because I'm probably not going to want to use this or keep this. So this will definitely be going into a future giveaway. And next is the thing that I am most excited about. Is that we got the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Balm. I love this stuff. I almost bought this actually. It was in my Amazon shopping list, but I just haven't gotten it yet because it's $48 just for this. So I'm very happy to have this in there. Packed with farm-grown ingredients like sunflower and ginger root oils and moringa and papaya extracts. This multi-masking cleansing balm melts makeup and impurities to reveal smooth glowing skin, and it smells divine. And it does. I love this stuff. It works so good. Let me open it up for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. And there it is. See, it's green. And it comes with like a little scoop, so you scoop it on and you put it on your face, and it really does melt away your makeup. And I'm sure you guys have all seen this, but I absolutely love it. So yay for this. So even though this is the same price as the box, I'm still trying to compare Ipsy to Boxy Charm's Boxy Lux, and it's not comparing, but this at least makes the, you know, the box worth my money. So, and next we have 2 sheet masks, which I'm like, sheet masks are great, but we get these in just our regular Ipsy bags. So, but there's one that says natural avocado, and there it is right there. And then this one is natural shea butter. So they're very heavy, so they're very thick with fluids, but it's a sheet mask. So these say a beloved Korean beauty brand that strives to create effective skincare products using natural devoured ingredients. The set of avocado and shea butter sheet mask deeply nourishes skin and delivers healthy hydration. So I mean, they're going to be great for you, but it's still just a sheet mask. So next we have another samples product, and there it is right there. This is the eggplant clearing mud mask. Using natural best ingredients, this creamy clay mask uses eggplant extract to soothe and exfoliate, setting your skin up for a bright, clear future. So who can never not use sheet masks? I probably get 2 times out of this, but hey, it's a sheet mask and they're great, so I'm not knocking that. And next, I'm actually really excited about this too. This is the Paris Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer, and I need this. My skin is so dry. Oil-free moisturizer preps skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles, while white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants help retain moisture so your skin looks dewy and radiant. So let's open the box up. And there it is. So I wonder if it has a smell to it. Stupid tabs. It's got like a very, very faint smell, but it does smell good. So it's not like overpowering. And the last thing we have right now is this lip gloss. And there it is right there. It says it's a reflectant. Oh, you guys can read it. There it goes. A reflectant lip gloss in Opulence. And it says, let's see, enriched with a blend of natural and organic oils that nourishing gloss delivers a subtle, even shimmer and a whole lot of shine with no stickiness. So let's open this up. This looks like a deluxe sample, so not like a huge sample. Oh, it's very pretty though. Let's do a little, I'll show you guys the wand. And let's do a little. Oh, it's very, very clear. Like, I don't know if you guys can even see that. But it is reflected. You see that? It's pretty. Yeah, it's not sticky at all. I like this actually. This is really nice. So, and this would be a great floss that you would just throw in your purse and have it on the go. So, awesome. And the last thing in this bag is the Betty Boop makeup bag, and it is absolutely cute. It's black, just like my soul. I'm kidding, maybe, but it's black and glittery. Look at that. It is pretty. So, but I have so many makeup bags, so this will also be put in a giveaway. So there's a lot of stuff in this bag. I mean, there's a ton of product. but it's not like that great name brands that we get in our other subscription boxes, and I think that's what at first kind of really pissed me off. So, because I was mad. I was like, damn it, Ipsy, get your shit together, because you just wasted $50. And I'm actually looking forward to seeing what the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus has in it, because I have no idea. I don't have any spoilers on that whatsoever. I just know they took money out and it's coming my way. So I'd like to see the difference between the $25 box and the $50 box and see what the difference in the prices are. So, do you guys get this box this month? Are you pissed off about it? Because I know there is a ton of people who are pissed off, and I'm wondering if you guys got this box. Did you guys like the box? Did you think it was a ripoff? So let me know in the comments below. And I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you will be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!